Hey Emmanuel, this is Larry Powell with Top Shelf Rankings. I just wanted to get this quick video over to you outlining the information I was able to gather on how you can grow your small business and bring on these extra employees you're wanting to take on and really expand this out into the Baton Rouge market. So first off, your guys' Facebook page looks great. I love to see how many followers you had on here. This is fantastic. 1,200 followers. That's a lot. So you guys are doing fantastic there. You guys have some great photos on here. They're not, super janky looking. It really showcases the work you guys do. So those are fantastic. So what I wanted to really go over with you guys today is how you can really increase your online presence and generate new customers that way. So what we're going to be looking at is a website I recently built out for another company out of the Delaware area. They're another home remodel company. So we're going to take a look at their site just to kind of show you, what we're looking for with these sites and how we build these out and why we build these out this way. Then we're going to look at what the competition is for the Baton Rouge area. So what your competition is online, what these guys are doing for their websites to get these leads coming in, and what you would have to do to get these leads headed your way instead. So first off, this is the website. So there's a couple things we really want to look at on sites like this. There's three different big things that we really focus on, and that's content, backlinks, and citations. So content is one of the biggest things we can influence. Google has no emotion. So Google doesn't really care, what pictures you have on your website, what your website looks like. Google can read words. And so as we're building out these sites, the content we have on these is very important. With that content, we usually shoot for anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content, and then making sure that we also have, the search terms we actually want to be found for within that content as well. So this is just an example site. There's a lot of possibilities design aspect wise of what we can do. Obviously, if a site looks good, that's going to help potential clients to want to use your services. But they don't have to be too over the top. It's really kind of up to you, what we want to do with these. So content is definitely a big one. Another big thing on websites is contact forms. So I like to have a contact form up here near the top of the site to make it super easy for potential customers to get a hold of you. You're not going to have any customers getting a hold of you if it's going to be hard for them to get in contact with you to get that quote. Click to call buttons are also equally important. So if they click on this from their mobile devices, this will automatically connect with your business. And so people are doing mobile search very often these days, so this is very important as well. So looking at some research I was able to find for you guys, this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. What this tool allows me to do is look at different search volumes for search terms that are out there on the web. So what people are actually searching for and how many times they're searching for that per month. So bathroom remodel Baton Rouge is getting 100 searches per month. Remodeling contractors Baton Rouge is getting 60 searches per month, and Baton Rouge home renovations is getting 40. This is just what I was able to find looking through this in like 5 minutes. So we're looking at 200 potential searches just for these three search terms. Having your website in the top spot on Google search, you can usually count on about 30% of that search traffic headed towards your website. So out of that 200, that's a big chunk of people, potential clients and customers that you could have coming to your website, to your business, just by being in the top spot for these three search terms. So we're going to look at bath and remodel Baton Rouge. We're going to look at what the competition is for that search term and what you would have to do to pass them up in the Google results. So as we look at this in Google search, there's a couple things we're seeing here. So first off, this is Google paid ads. So this is people paying Google to have their website at the top of Google search. And we can see for this search term that the average cost per click, so what they're paying for every time somebody clicks on that is $7 per click. So that is definitely something you can do. You're going to see a lot better long-term investment, investing in your business to get here in the Maps pack and here in the organic search results. So there's a couple different factors for how you get your business into this Maps pack, but the biggest one is citations. So number 2 in our big 3. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can do this from websites like your Facebook page, a Yelp listing, a Yellow Book listing. These are all places you can list that information, and that counts as a citation source towards your business. So I know you said that you guys are very close to Baton Rouge. I couldn't find a Google My Business page built out for your business, so this would definitely be a great next step for you guys is to build this out. and then start getting citations pointed towards that. So we actually had tools out here that we can see how many citation sources your competition has. So we can see Acadian bathroom and kitchen remodeling. They currently only have 11 citation sources, so not a lot at all. There's like 300 different citation sources out there for the U.S. that you can get. So for them to only have 11, very low-hanging fruit there. And then Bath Planet Baton Rouge only has 10, and they are the next one down. So very low-hanging fruit between the two of these. I would highly recommend getting a Google My Business page built out for your business and start getting those backlinks or those citations pointed towards it. Sorry. So the next factor for how you get your business into this is your organic rankings. So where your business sits organically in these search results plays a lot of weight as to if you're going to be in here. So as we're looking at the organic search results, I don't include Home Advisor in this because Google really prefers to rank the small business owner over these large national sites like this. And so we don't include them in the competition because 99% of the time you're going to outrank them. So looking at Max Home Now, we can take a look at their website and see what they have going on, what we'd have to do to pass them up. So looking at their site, content-wise, it's very weak. As I said before, Google has no emotion. They don't care what pictures look like, or they don't see those. So content-wise, they do not have a lot on here. I mean, they're under 500 words total content. So for you to get that site built out, having those search terms you want in there. So having these search terms, having bath and remodel Baton Rouge in that content with that 1,000 to 1,500 words, you would definitely be beating them out in that aspect. So the next thing we're going to look at is, wow, that's really annoying. So the next one we're going to look at is Easy Baths. So we can see on Easy Baths, so bath and remodel, quickly and affordable. So not a lot of content here as well. Very doable to pass these guys up with that 1,000 to 1,500 words. So the last thing we're going to look at, I'm going to X out of that because I'm tired of that going off. So the last thing we're going to look at is the backlinks. So the best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. So you have the most popular kid in school, we'll call him website A. You have the least popular kid in school, we'll call him website B. And that most popular kid is going to pair himself with the least popular kid. And what's going to happen by that is it's going to bring up that popularity of the least popular kid and move him up in the popularity, move him up in the search results, right? So for you guys, you want to be going out there and getting backlinks that are relevant to the home remodel industry. So backlinks that have to do with people getting new roofs on their houses, or redoing their kitchens or stuff like that. All these services you guys are offering. That's going to carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes than if you guys were to go out there and get a backlink from your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas. So we can see from Max Home Now, they have 11 backlinks, which is very low. They're ranking for 11 keywords, and they're getting 17 people per month just to this page. We can also see, if we look at their whole site, that total they're getting 1,500 people per month. So this is their entire website. They're getting 1,500 people per month to this website. What's also cool about this is we can go through and see the different search terms they're ranking for. So obviously you guys aren't doing New Orleans. At least we didn't really talk about that. But like there's 150 searches per month that they're getting just for that. So we can see there's a lot of stuff in here, and so we can kind of pick and choose which of these are going to apply the best to your business and generating this search traffic that way as well. So next we're going to look at Easy Baths. I apologize for all the pop-ups here. So we're going to look at Easy Baths. We can see that they only have 2 backlinks as well from 2 referring domains. They're getting 17 people per month. And we can look at the keywords they're ranking for. So we can see bath and remodel Baton Rouge, 100 searches per month. So there's a lot of potential searches here you guys can claim for your business. And again, this is just what I found, looking this over and the 5 minutes before I shot this video. But there's a lot of potential searches here and a lot of room for growth for your business. So just to kind of summarize everything one more time, first off is going to be a website with content. You want to shoot for that 1,000 to 1,500 words. Next is going to be getting your GMB built out and getting those citations pointed towards it. My recommendation would be about 80 citations or so to really solidify that spot and get you guys into this top 3. The last thing is going to be backlinks. So getting some high quality backlinks that are relevant to the home remodel industry to push you guys over your competition that way as well. If you have any questions on this, I'd love to talk to you more. We could set up a phone call for later this week and kind of dive into this a little deeper and talk more about your business and how we could help you grow it and succeed. I hope you have a great rest of your day.